Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lemonade using soda. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 3 to 4 cups of your favorite clear soda. Also, have 1 cup of water ready for our simple syrup. Making sure everything is at room temperature will help achieve a perfectly blended and refreshing drink. This method is simple and yields a fantastic beverage. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, fresh lemon juice. To get the most out of your lemons, roll each one firmly on a hard surface for about 10 seconds before cutting. Then, slice them in half and use a reamer or juicer to extract approximately 1 cup of juice. Remember to strain this juice through a fine mesh sieve to ensure your lemonade is smooth and free of any unwanted pulp or seeds. This step is crucial for a clear, refreshing drink. Next, we'll create a simple syrup, which is key for dissolving sugar evenly without a grainy texture. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once clear, remove it from the heat and allow the simple syrup to cool down entirely to room temperature. This cooling step is vital before combining it with other ingredients. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for your delightful lemonade. In a large pitcher, combine the cooled simple syrup with your 1 cup of freshly strained lemon juice. Now, slowly and gently pour in 3 to 4 cups of your chilled clear soda. Stir the mixture carefully to retain as much fizz as possible. Taste your creation and adjust the sweetness or tartness as needed. Serve over ice and enjoy your homemade, bubbly lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.